We're out here at Brighton Resort.
We're just shredding it.
Spamming. I have like 9 messages and they're all like you sending pictures of Nordy.
Hey, what?
Where do I go, Joe? Straight?
Yeah. So much snow. Crazy.
How's it going?
Crazy.
Hey, hey. Shed the gnar.
Shed the gnar. Let's get it.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
I know. I kind of want to get a video of us going through here.
Right to that.
Nice little giblet there. Yeah. Oh, this is the 360 view, so if Michael, if you're editing this, we say hello.
Hi, Michael.
Hey, Michael.
It's cool because it like, you can like rotate it. I don't know how he does it, but he's a wizard. So.
What's going on, Michael?
We're out here at Brighton Resort.
We're just shredding it.
Just shredding the gnar.
Yeah.
Right behind you.
Oh. Yeah, we're good. Tried to hit that 180.
Look at that dent he made in the snow.
That was fun. Blah, 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 blah. Hit the jump! Yeah! Woo!
I know. Did a helicopter jump.
Helicopter?
Helicopter.
That was fun.
That was sick. Alright, get some speed! Woo! Yeah! Nice! I'll follow you guys.
Go ahead, Banana.
I don't know where to go. Bro, you want to lead the way?
Sure. Yeah, we are ready. Woo! Think what it could be. Hey guys! Can I just rip a run on this?
Sure.
And then meet you guys at Snake Creek, which is the one that's there.
Yeah, so this goes around to Snake Creek, right?
Yeah. Alright.
Alright, good luck.
Thanks.
I want to see you go down this thing.
I know.
Alright. Alright. Ready?
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Something's got to give.
These are ponderosa pines.
Yeah, nice. You can tell because of
Those are not ponderosas.
I know.
Maybe they might be actually. I don't know.
I don't think so.
I know they actually had ponderosa pines in like southern Utah, some
Really?
spots. Yeah, kind of. You know how like Arizona was very ponderosa piney?
Yeah.
It was like I want to see what this 360 does. Apparently it's really cool, but it like you can get like the back view too.
I'm gonna go through that.
We should do this, you guys.
No way, Joe. That's too steep
Yeah,
and
I don't know.
too many
Look at all those
moguls.
moguls.
I know. Okay. Uno, dos, tres.
There's a video.
Ah! Ah!
I think I took a video. Oh, here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Ah! It's gnarring out so hard right now.
We're gnarring the gnar so hard.
Here.
We're going to march nip nip.
March nerp nerp. Let's go shred it. Let's go shred it.
Shred it.
Shred the nerve. Alright, let's go freaking rip it.
Wait.
Rip it.
There you go. Yeah. Yeah. Yep. Nice. Just let it slide. Let it slide. There you go. Yeah, dude. Yeah, you're killing it. Yeah, Annie. I know what you're talking about, dude. You good, bro. Yeah, look. Alright, cool. Alright guys. So yeah, just follow me, I guess. But yeah, when you're going down, Annie, so like if you're watch it. So if you're like turning this way, this ski's turning it, kind of tap. Try that. Try like lightly tapping the other ski. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. Man, that fireball is hitting. Oh, that was a blast.
That was fun.
Oh, so sick. I love that run.
It was fun.
Gets really
good.
steep.
Good powder.
Yeah. How did it feel?
Oh.
Another thing you could try, Annie, to just get like comfortable with, like, because when Dad's turning, like, I feel like you kind of like you want to be leaning forward, but you want to be able to kind of like slide on the snow.
You gotta use your edges.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Let's go.
Did that feel like it helped though, Annie, or no?
I kind of forgot to do it.
What are you trying to do?
She's trying to get more parallel with her turns.
I see.
So like she kind of
She's got
so
it
that
there.
back foot has to slide though.
Exactly.
It has
She's
to
doing it now.
Yeah.
And all she has to do once she gets used to that is then shorten it up.
Right. But I think what's happening is her back foot isn't sliding as much.
Yeah.
So when it catches, that's when she's doing this.
Yeah.
This has to slide like that, you know? Yeah. Oh, she's going.